welcome to the N2W Academy. My name is Cynthia Santos, Senior Solution Architect here at N2W. And today I'm going to show you how to back up the N2W server. The N2W server backs up itself. It has a built-in policy called cpmdata. If you are in any of our latest releases, this policy should have been created automatically for you. But if you go to your policies on the left menu and you do not see it, please go ahead and make one. The name is cpmdata. Once you select the cpmdata policy, you're going to notice that it has different options from the rest of your policies. And that is because its sole purpose is to protect the N2W server. So it auto-selects the data volume of the N2W virtual machine in this case as the backup target. The most important part of this policy is that you determine what are the different settings that you want, how often you want to back up the N2W server, and where do you want to send those copies. I have a schedule here. This is the default. This is a daily schedule. It's called cpmdata schedule, and it happens on a daily basis. The most important choice for you is your disaster recovery options. Now, by default, this is disabled. I highly recommend that you have at least one good copy of the N2W server in your designated disaster recovery location. In the event of an outage, the backup server, the recovery tool of your choice, which is N2W server, is going to be the first thing that you're going to need to recover. And this is what this policy is going to let you do. So go ahead and enable disaster recovery, select lifecycle management, and in this case, I'm only keeping 7 days. But you can also retain by time. So I'm going to keep 7 generations based on the daily schedule and 7 days, and go ahead and hit save. After you enable this policy, go ahead and run it. And this is what it would look like after successfully completed, both for a local backup and a cross-region backup. So go ahead and enable cpmdata with disaster recovery, and I hope that you find it useful. See you in the next series.